They call it the Latte Factor. It sounds silly, but this simple story shows how small, daily spending quietly destroys your wealth. Meet Sarah. She buys a $5 latte every morning before work. It feels harmless, just $5. But $5 a day is 35 a week, 150 a month, over $1,800 every year. Now imagine she invested that same $5 a day. In just 10 years, with compound growth, she could have over $25,000. In 20 years, more than $100,000. The problem isn't the latte. It's the habit of spending without thinking. Little leaks sink big ships. And little expenses keep you broke. So, what's your latte factor? Cut it, invest it, and watch your wealth grow. Subscribe for more boring money stories that actually change your future.